Good morning everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video here on Dogecoin. Your daily updates, we'll talk about everything you need to know regarding Dogecoin right now. It's a little bit of a frustrating time perhaps when we're talking about Dogecoin because basically since Tuesday it hasn't really moved. We've consolidated here in this level right here between 42.5 cents. And then the main support level right here at 35 cents, while a lot of cryptos are rallying. Also, again, today, you can see Luna is rallying, for example. A lot of the older coins, such as Algorand, XRP, Cardano, are rallying a lot. And then Dogecoin is not doing that much. However, that's just a matter of time before Dogecoin starts to move again, all right? And you should also know that Dogecoin has been one of the strongest performers still in recent history, all right? So it's also normal that we actually see some sort of a, here, it's in the top 4 of biggest gainers in the last 2 months. And it's by far the highest market cap in that whole area. So it's normal that we actually consolidate for some time. This is nothing to worry about, I would say, and I would even say that this is relatively bullish because we're actually after getting like a 3-4x depending on your entry. We're holding the consolidation at the top, right? We haven't even pulled back yet. We made a top and then we actually revisited that top, and we've been consolidating on top of that. And then outside of that, what you can also see on the short term is that we have some new open interest coming in. Now, I wouldn't say that this is completely bullish because it seems that a lot of short positions are being opened here on Dogecoin. But I always say in these circumstances, when the market is very bullish, which is still the case, shorts being opened is also it can also be seen as something bullish, excuse me. Because what that means is that now quite a lot of liquidity is adding up right here. All right, so then that means that we can have some sort of a parabolic run again if we actually have some long momentum coming in as well, right? Because right now it's mostly short orders coming in. That's not going to make the price go up on itself. But if we actually do have some positive, some buying pressure coming in as well, that could accelerate our way up to 45 cents and also to potentially break above that to get to the next target, which in my eyes would be this level right here around 60 and 55 cents. But that's not the case right now, right? I mean, right now we have to be realistic and say that we are consolidating at the moment, even though there's a lot of factors playing into this, like these older coins rallying, which should also be a little bit bullish for Dogecoin, and like the short orders coming in. There's no real indication right now of which way we're going to break out. So for now, I still think that you need to be prepared for both directions. And both directions from here basically means that either, and there's no indication of that, like I said, either we actually do gain some more buying momentum, some buying pressure again, which will probably lead to a rapid acceleration up to 45 cents with that liquidity up there. Or we can, and that I would say that's less likely, all right? I think it's unlikely here that Bitcoin is going to drop that much that Dogecoin will not be able to hold 35 cents. But I've talked about this for the entire last week. If Dogecoin actually gets a breakdown below 35 cents, we'll drop down into this level right here at 31 and 30 cents. And I think you should be prepared for buying there as well. I think that's an amazing buy area, especially also because we have so many shorts that will close probably at that area. So those are very much the two scenarios. At the moment, what I would say is most likely, you should be prepared for both. But if you just want my price prediction, what I would say is most likely is that we will be able to hold 35 cents. We'll drop down into that area, we'll consolidate, and then we can actually, and then I expect to see that move into 42, 43, 45. And from there, we'll see whether we can actually break above that and rally much, much higher, or whether it's just a new visit up to the top of the range before getting back down to the bottom of the range. So that I'll keep you updated on. For now, I think this is the most likely scenario. I'll keep you updated in general, right? So keep an eye on the channel. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care. And if you want to know when I'm buying Dogecoin, because I do have my plan set up, consider joining the Signal group. Links to that will be down in the description. Profitable trades, a lot to learn in there. So that's up to you. But for now, have a great weekend. Take care and bye.